In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the peace Torii here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this is actually pretty easy to go ahead and find, but first things first, go ahead and pause your map, open up that world map, and essentially what you need to do is filter by map regions and essentially make your way over to this region right over here, kind of close to where the stadium cross-country circuit is. You can go ahead and just zoom in, make your way to this specific location, kind of over in the far side corner, specifically like the bottom left corner, and essentially just make your way here. And of course, once you're here, you're going to see the peace circuit right over here. Now, this is a very cool looking design. I think it looks phenomenal at night right here with all these like other lights in here. But essentially, once you're here and you're looking at this thing, simply go ahead and just pull out your camera and, of course, take a picture of this. Now, you can, of course, go ahead and do this at night. I think it looks cooler at night, but it doesn't necessarily matter that much either. Go ahead and take that picture, and we'll hide the UI for this as well, so it looks super clean. Let's do right here. Bang, and of course, we'll go ahead and get that picture done. But that's the full process. That's how you can find the peace Torii. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I am going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content just like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.